Hi there, my name's Matthew from Edmonds Estate Agents, and you find me here today at this beautiful 2-bedroom penthouse apartment. Penthouse apartments are often sought but seldom found. Well, today's your lucky day. With 2 lovely bedrooms, a wraparound balcony, ensuite, close to the town centre with river views and a garage. Well, that ticks a lot of boxes now, doesn't it? Let's go come have a look. I imagine that you want something with outside space. Well, not only with the balcony off the garage downstairs, you've got this beautiful wraparound balcony up here. Just imagine one evening after work, you've got your favourite drink in your hand, enjoying the summer sun. What a lovely place to be. So as you see, the property is situated right on the River Medway here and only half a mile away from Maidstone West Station. The property is ideally situated so close to town. So of an evening, after a hard day's work, if you fancy visiting one of the many bars or restaurants that Maidstone has to offer, it's a short trip across the River Medway and then into the town centre itself. You'd have seen that the property is beautifully presented, ready for anyone to move straight into. So whether it be your first home, your second home, or if you want it as a weekend retreat or an investment even, it makes it an ideal property to purchase. So to arrange a viewing, call the number detailed below and we'd love to hear from you and arrange your viewing.